I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing two essentials: your identity document and the online account tied to the service that issues share codes. Once you have your passport or driving license, sign in to the relevant Gov. UK service or government portal. Make sure you're on the correct page for creating a share code. Don't navigate away. You'll often need to verify via two-step authentication, so have your phone or email accessible. This avoids delays and keeps the code linked to the right identity. Once signed in, find the option labeled Get a Share Code or Share Your Details. It's usually near the Identity or Verification section. You'll be prompted to select what information to share and shown the code's expiry time, often 30 minutes, so act quickly. Confirm the selection, then generate the code. The system displays a short alphanumeric string. Copy it exactly, noting capitalization, and consider taking a screenshot if allowed. If the service offers a direct link, use it to avoid manual. You finish by delivering the share code to the organization requesting it, either by pasting into their form or sending the code directly. Make sure you do this before it expires. If the code lapses, regenerate one immediately. Don't reuse expired codes. If problems persist, clear your browser cookies, check device clock and time zone, and confirm the account has permission to create codes. One key troubleshooting tip: if generation fails repeatedly, sign out and sign back in or use a different browser. That resolves most session issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.